Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to fix the FFMPEG recording failed error for the ReplayMod. You're probably on this video because you've downloaded the ReplayMod and you're trying to render a replay recording, but you get an error saying rendering failed, you need to have FFmpeg installed. Well, if that's a little confusing for you and you don't know how to actually download and install FFmpeg, I'm here to save the day. We've actually made a video on how to download and install the ReplayMod as well as how to use the ReplayMod's basic features. If you're interested in any of those, the link to those will be in the description. However, if all you're interested in is fixing the FFmpeg issue, then what you have to do is head to this link, it'll be in the description. There you click download and then scroll down. On the right here you'll see a heading saying get packages and executable files. You'll just have to hover over the operating system you have. Since I'm on Windows, I'll be hovering over Windows. Then you want to click on the first link that comes up. For Windows you want to click on the giant.dev link. If you're on any other operating system, you should click the first link as well, as that's the most reliable and up-to-date build. However, I'm on Windows, so I'll click here. That should redirect you to this web page. Here you just want to scroll down until you see a subheading called Release Builds. Then under there, one of the latest releases should be called FFmpeg Release Essentials.zip. We don't need any other file from this web page, so we're just going to be clicking on that one. That will instantly begin the download of the zip we need. When that download is done, we recommend dragging it to your desktop so it's easier to follow the next few steps. On the desktop, you'll firstly want to extract the zip to make sure we get the necessary files. You can do that by opening the zip and dragging out the folder inside. That shouldn't take long to complete, and when it's done, you'll see this folder. All you have to do then is rename the folder to just FFmpeg and no other numbers or letters at the end. Now you just want to drag that folder to the corner somewhere for easier use. Then you want to open up your Files Explorer window. You simply want to scroll down to this PC, click on your local disk, and then open the folder named Program Files x86. Inside that folder is where you want to drag in the FFmpeg folder we just renamed. If it asks you for admin permission, it's completely safe, so make sure you press continue. Now that you've done that, it means FFmpeg is installed. All you have to do now is make sure that everything is working correctly in-game. You can do that by heading into your game and then into the replay viewer where you can see all of your recordings. Open up the recording you're wanting to render and then press the render button. As you can see, it no longer says render failed. If this is the same for you, then you follow these steps correctly. If it's not the same for you, then make sure to go back and refollow them. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching!